Welcome to another episode of the Dad Bod. Today we're going to be opening and comparing the October watches for both Wrist Mafia and Watch Gang. This video is a little bit later than I normally like to release it, but that's because of a recurring issue with one of these two companies, which resulted in me not getting the watch until just a few days ago. But you're going to have to stay till the end to find out which one's the culprit. Okay, we have here the Wrist Mafia monthly subscription watch and the Watch Gang monthly subscription watch. For Wrist Mafia, they only have one tier. They used to boast that they have the lowest price monthly subscription watches at $29 a month. It does look like they recently raised the price to $33 a month, plus shipping. If you look on their social media, specifically on Instagram, you'll see that they post quite often showing you some really nice looking watches, but as we've basically seen every month this past year, their watches tend to end up lacking. Watch Gang has multiple tiers. For this one, I'm signed up for their lowest price tier to make it more comparable to Wrist Mafia. This one's the original tier at $50 per month plus shipping. So, without further ado, let's open these up and see what we get. And while I do that, go ahead and click on the like button and the subscribe button below. It helps keep this channel going strong, and it gives you access to our awesome video library with video after video to help you elevate your status by elevating your style. Videos such as what to wear with a blue blazer, how to poop like a gentleman, and top 10 gifts for men or women for Christmas, birthday, Valentine's Day. I mean, they're all coming up soon, so hit that subscribe button and dive in. This one's the Watch Gang one. It's a bit of a unique box. It's a watch case instead of a watch box. This is the Axwell Burgundy Marauder men's watch. Retail price is $275 on the Axwell website. The case is 43 millimeters of 304L surgical stainless steel. On the top is a non-glare scratch resistant mineral crystal. It's got a burgundy backing with numbers for the 3, 6, 9, and 12, and then the rest have just hour and minute marks. We do have a date at the 3 o'clock position, luminous hour, minute, and second hands. On the back, we can see that it's a screw down back and it's 20 ATM water resistant. The strap is also 304L surgical steel, and it's got a logo engraved on the stainless steel clasp. Yeah, this is a pretty nice looking watch. I'm absolutely going to get some good use out of it. So, let's see what we get from Wrist Mafia. This is a Mason & Company Heritage Racer watch. This actually looks pretty familiar. I think they might have sent me a watch from these guys pretty recently. Yep, I'm almost positive this is the exact same watch. And this confirms it. This is the watch that I got last month, and here's the watch for this month. It's literally the same watch 2 months in a row. So here's a link to last month's video for the details. I hated this watch last month and I still do today. It's just so ugly. The watch face is crowded with the circles and the markers to make it feel like a race car dashboard that just makes it look dumb. The watch strap is a low quality fake leather that feels like masking tape on the inside, and to top it all off, we had to push this video off several weeks because Wrist Mafia's subscription issues. You can sign up on a month-to-month, or you can do a several-month prepay to save money. Sounds great, but literally every other company that I've ever done business with in my life will notify you before your subscription expires because they want you to renew your subscription. Not Wrist Mafia. If you do a 3, 6, or a 12-month prepay, they're so confident that by the time your subscription is finished, that you'll know that their watches are junk, that they won't even bother letting you know your subscription has expired. So Watch Gang's obviously the clear winner for this month, but hey, don't be that guy that gets his girl another boring Christmas gift, or even worse, a gift card. Check out this video right here with top 10 gifts that she's absolutely gonna love, and I'll see you there.